When it is said to them, bellows in what Allah has sent down, that says we below in what was sent down to you, to us. Yet they reject all besides, even if it is by truth, confirming what is what them say. When they hear you silence the messenger of Allah in times gone by, if you did indeed believe, there came to you Moses with pillar singing, you yet worship that skull even after that, and you did behave wrongfully. And remember, we took your covenant, and we raised above you the towering height, a mountain, Sinai, saying, hold firmly to what we have given you, and hearkens to their law. They said, we have, and we disobey, and they had to drink into their hearts of the tent of the gulf because of their faithlessness, say, while indeed worry the bestest of you.